The main success factor for plasma technology is our ability to listen to customers' needs. That ranges from, for a specific order, listening to the needs of a research industry customer who may want a special feature on their tool, and we'll go through that with them and then design the special feature specifically for them, through to production customers who are much more interested in the reliability data on a more standardized tool set. When we're working on a new product development for a new platform, we'll go through a very formalized voice of customer activity where we look across the whole range of the industry and gather that input into our specification for the tool. First of all is the research market. Now that's formed the core of our business for many, many years through the 30-year history of plasma technology. And within that area, we'll look to broaden the range of techniques that we can offer customers, but also continue to specialize and give specific specific solutions to those customer needs. For production customers, we are working more and more closely with production customers, and for a number of years, production customers have formed a significant part of our revenue for the business, and we're developing solutions that meet their reliability needs and their repeatability needs. The third item is actually customer support, and whilst the first option of a tool purchase for any customer is meeting the specification, they also want to know that they have that support for the tool performance, maintenance, upgrades, process support, etc. throughout the life of the product, and that continues to be a very important relationship that we have with the customer, both for current tools but also for future purchases that they may wish to make. The qualities and values for plasma technology really align themselves with those of the whole Oxford Instruments group. First of all is we seek to be very inclusive in the way that we consider all of what we might call the stakeholders of the business. So obviously very important are the customers, and we consider their needs in everything that we do in terms of development or in just meeting day-to-day needs of those customers. Our colleagues and our teams here are critical to the success of meeting those customer needs, but also we need to consider the interests of suppliers and the way that they can fit into the business and other stakeholders as well. Secondly, and it really fits with the first one, is building relationships, but particularly relationships, especially with customers and suppliers that are long-term and seek to benefit mutually the interests of both parties. The third item is considering the innovation within the business, and that really forms the core of everything that we do, whether it's the product or the process that we sell to the customer, through to the way that we do things as well. We know that we can improve lots of things that we do, and we're always seeking to improve the service that we can offer to customers and the way that we do it. And finally is about how we go about that. And if something is worth us doing, whether to meet a customer need or to improve a process, then it's worth doing wholeheartedly. So we want to throw ourselves at the problem and make sure we get the best possible solution. As a UK business, one of the things that we've got to consider is how do we operate around the globe? And the key element that we can use to make sure that we appear as a global business is our service capability. With the support of the Oxford Instruments group, we have the ability to generate a very significant service presence around the whole world. We operate through 3 main regional service centres in Europe, Asia and the US, and through those with a number of teams of engineers plus some very well-trained agents, we can offer skilled service support and sales support as well, along with process engineering to customers anywhere in the world on their doorstep. And that makes a big difference to those customers and allows us to present ourselves as a local solution to them.